Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'll be giving you my review of NordVPN, a well-known VPN that has changed the landscape of online activity and safe browsing. Drawing from my personal experience, I'll be covering all the essential aspects that matter to everyday users, where I'll be evaluating and discussing both its positives and negatives. Also, if at any point you'd like to give NordVPN a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now, to start off with its pros, let's talk about NordVPN's user interface. As the first thing any user encounters, I find it to be inviting and intuitive. On top of that, NordVPN's download and setup process is great for beginners, as it even assists you with setting up basic security features. Although some of the more advanced features and specialized servers may overwhelm inexperienced users, NordVPN's everyday features and map interface make it highly user-friendly. Now, given that NordVPN emphasizes security, let's discuss how it keeps you safe online. NordVPN offers numerous features to bolster your security, such as the kill switch feature, which I always activate to prevent data leaks. Now, you can enable it when you first launch Nord or later on in the settings. Auto connect and quick connect on the app work the same way. NordVPN also offers specialty servers that are easily accessible from the main menu and provide various benefits. For example, I prefer using a double VPN when I need enhanced security, as it adds another VPN server to the mix. Meanwhile, other users may choose Onion over VPN for added privacy, even when it comes to the expense of their internet speed. Now, when talking about various categories of NordVPN servers, obfuscated servers are valuable against internet censorship, particularly in restricted countries. Specialized servers are located just below the obfuscated servers, and you can find NordVPN's meshnet here. This feature enables you to establish a secure connection between various devices, although it can be challenging to set up. Two other features, which are the threat protection and dark web monitor, have a separate tab like meshnet. I prefer threat protection because it blocks ads, trackers, malicious links, and even malware. And the best thing is that it's always active, just like an antivirus. You can also activate the light version to enable threat protection. Now, the dark web monitor is a valuable feature that is often overlooked when generally talking about NordVPN. The whistleblower feature can alert you with FBI-style force if any data associated with your email is found on the dark web. Another useful feature hidden in the settings menu is split tunneling, which allows you to select which apps or websites you want to use with the VPN for convenient streaming or torrenting. While NordVPN's app offers security benefits, there are other advantages you may not see, such as the use of RAM-only servers that can't retain user data. NordVPN also has an audited no-logs policy and is based in the privacy-friendly region, which adds to its security. Additionally, NordVPN offers fast performance, as evidenced by my speed tests that I've conducted in various locations, including those with distant servers, which did not show significant speed drops. When connected to a server in Japan, NordVPN maintained an average of 85 to 90% of my baseline speed, which is more than adequate for any activity such as streaming, torrenting, or even gaming. NordVPN has more than 5,400 servers around the world, which are rarely overloaded, and its NordLynx protocol prioritizes fast performance. As a result, NordVPN is a trustworthy option for streaming, and it can even access content that is only available in the US by connecting to a server there without any buffering or lag. Additionally, NordVPN is accessible across a variety of platforms, including desktops, mobile devices, and smart TVs. And unlike other VPN providers often offer feature-packed window apps and neglect Mac apps, NordVPN provides equally effective apps for both platforms, which are packed with features. After praising NordVPN for its quality, I believe it's time to take a closer look at its downsides. Let's begin with the macOS app, which has two versions, one available in the Apple Store and the other on NordVPN's website. The website version offers additional preferences such as different kill switch behavior and threat protection. However, Apple doesn't seem to approve of these features, leading to the alternative NordVPN version. Although it may be confusing, this isn't NordVPN's fault. While this issue is unfixable, the problem of high CPU usage due to threat protection has been resolved in the latest update. Nevertheless, in case of a similar problem, switching to threat protection light could help alleviate the issue. On the other hand, torrenting can be an issue for NordVPN users since P2P oriented servers are not available in all countries. This may cause users to settle for servers further away, resulting in slower speeds. So if you rely heavily on torrenting and NordVPN doesn't have P2P servers in your country, you should keep that in mind. Now, one major drawback is applicable to most VPN providers, and this includes NordVPN. The iOS and macOS application lacks split tunneling, which means that I cannot limit VPN usage to only Safari or specific website. While this issue is largely attributed to Apple, I wonder if there is anything that can be done to address it. At the end of the day, NordVPN is great for online privacy and secure web browsing, but it also has its flaws, and some of them are quite significant. But with that in mind, I still think that NordVPN boasts the most versatile range of features, performance among the fastest, and has excellent streaming support. And so I firmly believe that this is one of the best VPN options in 2023. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in NordVPN, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts as well as related content in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.